welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying Glossier products. So I've heard of Glossier products, but I was really never that intrigued by them because they're like very, it's very natural makeup, like thin layers of coverage, like natural eyebrows, natural, natural everything. I became interested in the brand because I really wanted to try the chapstick and the boy brow. I don't carve out my eyebrows with concealer anymore and like fill them in really harshly. I just run a little bit of the NARS pomade through them and put some clear brow gel on them. So I went on the website to just look for the mint Balm.com and the boy brow. But then also I noticed that Beyonce's makeup artist, Sir John, he uses Glossier products. And I think he used some products on her for the Grammys. So I was like on the website and then I ended up buying all these things. So I thought I'd go ahead and film me trying out the products. I'm really excited to try these products because I have been actually interested in finding like a good tinted moisturizer, like a skin tint kind of thing. I was actually looking at the NARS one. I got a sample of it. I actually got a bunch of samples. I still have these two left. This is the NARS Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer. And I really liked that one. So I'm excited to try the Glossier one. I'm excited to try out like a tinted moisturizer because I know it'll be good for like everyday makeup or like in the morning when you just have to get ready really quickly. You just kind of want to like freshen up, like enhance your natural features, or for me just kind of even out my skin tone a little bit. So when you first get the box, it's a pink box like this. And so these little stickers come inside the box. And there's also this little postcard. And then after those two things is this, so it's this pink bubble wrap pouch. And then inside are all the products that I ordered. So I'm going to go ahead and go through them one by one. So let's go ahead and look through the items that I purchased. First, I'm going to moisturize my skin a little bit with some CeraVe moisturizer. Oh, I also forgot to tell you guys that inside the pouch is a sample of the priming moisturizer. I guess I should have used this instead of the CeraVe, but I'll just use this another day. Let's go ahead and start out with the first product, which is the first thing that I even knew about Glossier. It's their Balm.com, and I got it in mint. I love chapsticks like this. Like, I love these rosebud salve ones. So I like ones that are like ointments or like treatments or like multi-purpose. So this is the mint Balm.com. The packaging is super cute. And I love products like this because they're like salves and you can use them like on your cuticles or like your elbows, like other dry areas. And I love mint flavored things. I was kind of having a little difficult time choosing like what flavor I wanted. I kind of wanted the cherry, but I didn't like that it was like tinted. Like I wanted a clear one. It smells good. It's thick. Ooh, it's very refreshing. Minty. It smells really good. So now I'm super excited to try out the skin tint. I picked it up in medium, so this is the Glossier Perfecting Skin Tint. It's actually really small. I'm gonna shake it first. So now I guess I'm just gonna kind of pop it onto my skin and then just like rub it in with my hands. The online demo like shows the models like putting it on like this, so just gonna blend it in with my hands. Wow, it's like it's like pure water. I do have like mild rosacea. And I have a lot of like beauty marks and freckles. So Okay, I put like way too much on my nose. It's literally like disappearing into nothing. I'm definitely used to like more of a medium buildable coverage. Also, I feel like it's way too white. I got the shade medium, but I think I should have gotten dark. Because when I blend it out, it looks pretty light. But I thought the shade medium would be good. I mean, in all other foundations, I'm usually like medium beige, medium with like peachy yellow undertones. Like in NARS, I'm the shade Santa Fe. It honestly doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything. What I do like is it did calm down my redness a little bit, and it kind of neutralized it out. But it does look very natural. Like you could still see my moles right here, my little freckles. So I'm gonna try to add a little bit more of the skin tint, like just around my cheeks, because that's where I have like mild rosacea and like more redness and discoloration. Okay, so I don't think that second layer really did anything. I just can't believe how light it is. Like this, it matches my skin, like the color of my face, but my face is so much lighter than like my arms and my body. So I do wish that I would have gotten this in dark. Next, I'm going to go ahead and try the Stretch Concealer, and I also got this in medium. I'm really excited to see if this like even has any coverage. Oh, side note. I do like the finish of the skin tint. I don't think I look very dewy at all. Like a lot of people say that they look like extremely oily or dewy with it on. I actually don't really see that at all. I think it looks pretty natural, but I'm used to like I like looking very wet. I like my skin to look like very wet, and I don't like it to look dry or like extremely matte. But I am oily, so this concealer looks pretty pink to me. So let's try it out. It looks like this looks super oily and creamy. I'm gonna put some under the eye and see what that does. It is extremely dewy, and it's already creasing. So I'm gonna just set under my eye a little bit. I'm just gonna set a little bit under my eye and my nose, because my nose gets really oily. Next up, I picked up this cloud paint in the shade Beam. So this was the more like orangey color, or like orangey peachy color. I've never really used cream blushes, so I'm excited to try this out. And I think I'm just gonna start with like a little bit at a time, because I've never used it before, so I don't want to add a lot. Oh wow, it just like squirted out. I'm just going to put a tiny little speck on my cheeks. So I do really like the cloud paint. It looks very natural, Looks like a really pretty, like, just flush of color. Next, I'm gonna try the Boy Brow. And I got this in black. I'm scared it might be a little too harsh, but I didn't want to get dark brown because my eyebrow hairs are black and my hair is black. So I didn't want like the dark brown to like tint my eyebrows to be lighter. So this is what it looks like. I think this is one of their more like popular products, or like the product that a lot of people know from Glossier. So I'm just gonna comb this through my eyebrows. And it's a really tiny little brush. I'm gonna zoom in a little. So I'm gonna get a little close so you guys can see. I'm gonna start back here because I want to distribute more of the color over here, and I'll do this part last. I really like it so far. My natural brows are pretty full. So I do really like this product to just run through them and make them look even darker. That looks so nice. It just looks so natural. So this is the before, this is the after with the Boy Brow. I love it so much. I wish I would have tried this product a long time ago. This is going to be so much easier and quicker to do my eyebrows in the morning. I'm just going to quickly brush through it. It really like grabs onto every little hair that I already have. Wow, my eyebrows look huge. I love it. Whoa. They look really bold. I already have bold natural brows, but that Boy Brow really just grasps all the hair that I have. So the last product that I have is the lip gloss. And I've heard great things about this also. That's like super shiny and beautiful. So this is it. So it kind of has like a sheer pink tint. So I'm going to kind of wipe off any excess lip balm that I might have on my lips. Whoa. Wow, my lips look super shiny. Okay guys, I just added a mascara on my natural lashes, and this is the final look. I feel like I look extremely young, like a little girl. Like this is how I looked when I was little. Very pale, my little rosy cheeks because of my little rosacea. My huge eyebrows. They're probably hairier than this. I think my two standout products that I like the most are probably the gloss and the Boy Brow and the skin tint. The concealer I could like do without. It wasn't anything like too special. I thought it was a little too oily and it creased super fast, and it didn't actually have that much coverage, so I didn't really see the point of the stretch concealer. I'll have to see how I look like out in the sun or like in public, but I feel like this skin tint is too light, but I did get the shade medium, so I'm thinking maybe next time I'll pick up the shade dark so it kind of matches my body more. Overall, I'm really glad I tried out all these Glossier products. I do love this look for like an everyday look, or if I'm just don't have a lot of time in the morning but I want to look kind of just fresh and awake, or if wherever I'm going it's like not really appropriate to wear a lot of makeup. Like I volunteer at a children's hospital, so I think I'll definitely like do this routine or like use these Glossier skin products and like the Boy Brow when I go volunteer, because you don't want to have like carved out eyebrows, like full-on contour, highlight, full coverage foundation to, you know. Well, I just don't really feel comfortable doing that. I really do like all the products that I picked up. I just feel like I look so young and little. But I feel like I don't look that different because, like, it's just kind of like my rosacea added back and like my big brows. The cloud paint was a nice surprise. I did actually really like it. It's my first time using a cream blush. I'm actually normally not even into blushes, period. Like, the only one I really like is this Becca Wild Honey. It's a powdered blush. But I actually really do like the cloud paint and Beam. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys!